Hello everyone, welcome to lecture 2 of testing of hypothesis. In this lecture, we are going to study identification of topics. First problem. In the past, the standard deviation of weights of certain 1135 gram packages filled by a machine was 7.1 grams. A random sample of 20 packages showed a standard deviation of 9.1 grams. Is the apparent increase in variability significant at 0.05 level of significance? So here it is given n is equal to 20. N is equal to 20. So it is coming under small sample less than 30. So it is coming under small sample. And then what we are going to check for 1135 grams package, the standard deviation is 7.1. So it is the sigma, the population standard deviation is 7.1 and it is given the standard deviation of the sample S is equal to 9.1. So we are going to check the significant difference between the population standard deviation and the sample standard deviation. So it is coming under the topic test for a specified population variance because it is coming under small sample and testing the difference between the population and sample standard deviation. So the topic is test for a specified population variance. Next problem. The average income of persons was rupees 210 and with rupees 10 for standard deviation in a sample of 100 people of city. For another sample of 150 people, the average income was rupees 220 with standard deviation of rupees 12. Test whether there is any significant difference between the average income of the locality. So here it is given two samples, right? So the average income of persons was rupees 210 with standard deviation 10 in a sample of 100 people. So N1 is equal to 100 and samples average, that is sample mean X1 bar is 210 and the standard deviation S1 is equal to 10 for first sample. For the second sample, what is given? N2 is 150, N2 is 150 and X2 bar, the mean of the second sample is 220 and S2, the standard deviation of the second sample is 12. So here these data are given. We are going to check, we can check difference between the mean as well as the standard deviation. Here it is given, find the significant difference between the average income of the locality. So we are going to test the significant difference between the two sample means under large sample because here it is greater than 30 and this is also greater than 30. So it is coming under large sample and testing the difference between two sample means. So the topic is test for a significant difference between two sample means. Next problem. Memory capacity of 9 students was tested before and after a course of meditation for a month. State whether the course was effective or not from the data below in same units. So before these are the values, after these are the values. So it is given for a same set of 9 students, we are doing the experiment before and after the course. So before that values are memory capacities are 10, 15, 9, 3, 7, 12, 16, 17, 4. Similarly, after is also given. So here the size of the sample n is less than 30. So it is coming under small sample, and from these data we can find the average. So we are going to test the difference between the averages, but the same set of students, that is very important. For a same set of students, we are going to find both before and after the mean values. So we are going to check the mean values of the memory capacity of same set of students. So it is coming under t-test and paired observations. So the topic is t-test for paired observations. We will continue this in the next video.